So here's the first question from Illuminated Encounters. So congratulations, my Ask Me Anything. Should I split my social media account and make two instead of one? Previously, I had used myself as the branding on social media and my website and listed my two businesses in one. I'm a therapist and I also offer non-clinical services under a different business, but I recently created two websites, different field, different niche, and it seems to be going better. It feels more authentic for me too. And I did try the other way for a long time. I'm not sure what to do about social media. I got a lot of followers based on one of my businesses, but I'm more consistently posting on the other one. So it seems odd to keep them as one. So I don't know is the truth. I would have to know a lot more about the business. I'd have to actually see those two different accounts. Um, but of course, one of the metrics to be looking at, one of the things to be thinking about is how much work it is to sustain two different presences. I would recommend for any entrepreneur to have more than three businesses at the same time. It's mad. Go for one if you can. And my sort of intuitive sense would be yes, you want to create one presence. Yes, you want to merge it. But I think sometimes we think it's either I have to change it all now or I have to leave it forever. But instead, I'd encourage you to think about over the next 12 months, how could you build a bridge from where you are now to the kind of online presence you want to have? So, what could be the launch plan? What could be the transition plan to get things in the groove that you want them to be in? And to focus that. So, that could be on the one, social media presence you've grown where you've got a big following, but it's not the work you want to do. If I'm understanding the situation right, to then start talking about this other one, announcing that, drawing people over to that one, sending them that way. To your email list, doing the same thing, announcing there's going to be a transition. Hey, I'm really starting to focus on this work versus this other one. And then you put most of the work there, but you can still keep the old thing up if it's working, if it's getting, traffic and if people are finding it on Google. There's no reason to just stop it. Um, but I would think of it more as a plan. Think of it more as a transition period rather than a transition moment where you have to make a decision right now. The only decision to make, I think, is how do you do the shift? That's what I would say. So that's for that question.